This smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells good. Honey, okay, gosh. This smells really good. Child, I could always tell the ones that look, like it costs something. You get what I'm saying? This smells delightful. Really, really good. $1.25. Honey, I ain't want to speak too loud because the guy was over there and I don't want him to buy it up. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these wide tooth combs over here. These are $1.25. Fancy Pantsy Mancy. They come in 2 different colors. I like this color right here. Oh my goodness, it gives me such a vibe. They also have the black one as well. Honey, try to tell me Dollar Tree ain't out here slaying in the streets. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get that your day, your life is going to get better. Honey, once you think twice. Your day, your life is going to get better. Honey, once you swing my way. Now, today we are at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Dina, the fabulous MC, is on the mic to move your feet to the beat. Now, let me tell you something. I don't care where you are. You can have better. You can do better. You can be better. Another message. I don't care how good you may think you are. If you believe you don't deserve the good things in life, you won't have them. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You may say, but I'm so good. Why do I keep getting the short end of the stick? Because it's somewhere subconsciously that you believe that you don't deserve the amount of money that you desire, that you don't deserve to be in that relationship, that you don't deserve to live in that beautiful mansion. You have this belief system up here and you need to start changing it. And that's why I'm always recommending books, okay? Today's book, by the way, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Let's go inside the Dollar Tree. Okay, so when you first come in, Dollar Tree still, they don't forget the balloons for mom, all right? And they have the prices up here, solid colors, $1.50, specialty, $2, jumbo, $5, all right? Now, Dollar Tree also have these tumblers over here, which are $1.25. They also have these makeup bags. We had seen these for Mother's Day, $1.25. I like to say this is for every day because the truth of the matter is, honey, Mother's Day is every day. They also have these serums down at the bottom. They are called Glow Up, and this is really a dupe, okay? They also have the cleansing oil that has a jojoba oil in there and rose. They have some retinol oil, renewing double serum. They also have some hot cold eye pads over here, which are $1.25 as well. Get into it and do it. And then they also have the towel scrunchies that comes in 2 different colors. They have this blue one, and then they also have the purple. Get into it. Detangling comb with shower handle. I know that's right. So if you're a person, you're like, ooh, chill, honey, it was the packaging for me that really caught my attention. You see this face? Okay, that's what really did it for me. This is the microfiber hair wrap. Now, if you like, Dina, I want to get my mother some stuff. Maybe you on a budget or so, okay? Come to Dollar Tree. They also have the moisturizing post-shave serum, wildflower pH balance for whole body, $1.25. The bath fizzers, lavender. They have, you guys know lavender is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also had the orange blossom with essential oils, $1.25. Some more makeup bags. Honey, this appears to be the last makeup bags. I'm quite sure that Dollar Tree will get some more items, and probably for Mother's Day. When is Mother's Day, honey? I don't even know. Okay, I don't even know, child. Then they also have the Pearl Sleep Mask that comes in 2 different colors. They have the pink one and also the purple one. Mother's Day cards, anyone? All right. Happy Mother's Day. This is cute. I like this. Really nice. To my amazing daughter. Oh, look at the butterflies. This is nice. All right. So proud of who you've become. I think you're an incredible mom. Happy Mother's Day. Honey, this fancy pantsy, these cards. Looking like Lancy. for you, mom, would love. You know what I absolutely love? I like the 3D method on the cards. Okay, so this says, you're the absolute best. Happy Mother's Day. Love it. Really, really cool. They also have one for grandma. Honey, you can't forget the grandmothers. For a special grandmother on Mother's Day. Love it. So these are pretty much the cards that they have. This is really, really cute. Absolutely look like this. Honey, look at the cat. Honey, he fancy pantsy, moving his feet to the beat. Or shall I say till. Now, no matter how you say it, okay, and the different sayings for grandmas, okay, this is nice. So if you are, you know, and a good thing about this is, honey, they have the cards right next to the gifts. Okay, right next to the gifts. Now, we had seen these last time. These boxes, I absolutely love these with the gold trim. Honey, this is fab, to say the least. These are $5. And then they also have the candles, the Aloha hibiscus candle. Now that candle, I didn't smell this one. I smelled the other one that had the same exact name. Let's see how this this smells okay. I think the other one that they had that was in a clear bottle, I mean, that one, it was like, it smelled a little better, but that's $5. They also have the makeup sponges with the pouches over here. You'll get 2 sponges for $1.25. 2 colors they have is blue and also pink. So, looking for some new items from Dollar Tree, honey, I am going to deliver. Okay, because I'm in a place to be. Now, Dollar Tree has their Mother Day items out. They also have the graduation items out, and also the Memorial Day, 4th of July items. Okay, swing my way. Let's go. So I told you guys, Dollar Tree has the Celebrate Your Grad, the plastic table covers, $1.25. They also have the grad cap decoration, Reach for the Stars. I know that's right. And this is pretty much how the cap is going to look. I like this. This is fancy. I'm done. I know that's right. They also have the 6-piece bubbles confetti they have. There's different colors. You know I'm a colors girl. And then they also have the black and white and gold confetti over here. Really fancy. Now, if you are looking for 4th of July pinwheels, Dollar Tree definitely have them. Honey, they have everything out for the 4th, okay? They have the banners, the flags, the confetti, the 4 foam wands over here. They ain't playing. They also have the gnomes of the brave. Get into it. The wind spiral. Child, they out here delivering. They also have the stars, stripes, forever, $1.25. These are really, really cute. God bless America. And then they also have this tinsel garland over here. That's $1.25 as well. Really, really cute. Oh, this is cute. Ooh, so they also have the ladybug tinsels. Look at this. Absolutely love that. Oh my goodness, honey, with some red roses out on your yard, some red and white roses. Oh my goodness, that is calling my name like a chicken wing. Really, really cool. $1.25. So if you're looking for some fun things to do with your children this summer, Dollar Tree definitely has items that are super duper cool, like the splash catchers. Really, really nice. They also have the disc golf. Look at this, the disc golf, honey, I never even heard of it. The fishing game, honey, oldie but goodie. They also have these items right here that you can take to the beach. Really, really cool. And the cool thing about these items, honey, they still are $1.25. They have the light up jump rope. Who remember playing double dutch? Okay, honey, I was one of those girls, okay, that played the double dutch. All right, honey, I will beat you in some double dutch. They also have the outdoor fun, the ankle skipper. Who remember this? This was so cool. And honey, it lights up. Absolutely love it. They have the mini basketball hoops, $1.25. They have the kites, the mini kites, the Barbie kites, $1.25 as well. And look at the mini sports balls, like the soccer ball, the football. Honey, Dollar Tree came here to slide. When I tell you that Dollar Tree is definitely delivering, look at these items right here. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the travel neck pillows over here, which are really, really cool. I absolutely love the unicorn. Honey, she's delivering, okay? They also have these plush collections over here. My children absolutely love these. I'm gonna get one of these for my youngest son, Javon, for his birthday, okay? This one is really, really cool, the panda. Absolutely love these. These are $5. All right, so Dollar Tree also have this item right here. This is the Heritage by Mindy McKnight, a 1-pin magnet, $1.25. Really, really cool. Some other items that Dollar Tree has. Now, if you may be like, what is this for? Honey, this is for the bobby pins. If you are anything like me, have your bobby pins all splattered all over the dresser. Honey, this is going to help you keep them organized, okay, so they don't be all over. Dollar Tree also have this wide tooth comb. Fancy pantsy mancy. Check this out. Now, a few face shoe masks Dollar Tree has is this Citrus Sunburst facial mask brightening and plus a toner. This is $1.25. Honey, the packaging for me, it looks fancy. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Pure Aloe Soothing Reviving Aloe Mist, where aloe vera hydrates and refresh. $1.25. Moisturizes and soothes dry skin, face, and body from Smart Care. So, honey, if you want to get your tanning on, okay, this is dark tanning oil. Summer tanning, no sunscreen, Smart Care, and it is $1.25 as well. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is Yes To Doe-ended Mask Tool. So this helps you apply your mask, your facial mask, and it also helps you remove the peel off mask. Okay, so this tool is $1.25. This is fancy. I seen this actually yesterday. So it's Yes To. It's good. Alright, so to my arts and craft girls, my DIYers, okay? Dollar Tree has the vinyl paper, 2 for $1. Any type of vinyl paper you need. They also have the sketched canvas. These are $1.25. They also have this one as well. This is cute. Look at this. Is that a llama? Okay, I think that's a llama or a sheep. Honey, I think it's a llama. $1.25 with the, is that cactus, I think? Honey, don't get me the lion. Now, they also have the tacky glue. This is $1.25. Let me see, premium all-purpose adhesive. They also have the glitter glue. Ooh, this is cute. I absolutely like this. 10 pieces for $1.25. And then they also have these wood pieces. I like this. Honey, you can make this into like a jewelry box or something. Put some metallic gold on there, call it a day. Like, hey. They also have some craft fabrics. That's $1.25 as well. And what about the wood shelves? Oh, this is nice. Really, really cute. Honey, you can look. You could be like these people. They have their little plant on here. Their little picture decor, home sweet home. I know that's right. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine definitely was their body wash over there. Okay, that was $1.25, honey. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.